In this video, we'll present Interprefy's professional services. Our assistance is divided into pre, during, and post-event services that are adapted to our clients' needs, including project management, remote support, and media services. Once a deal is closed, the sales team provides all necessary information about the client, including their needs, type of event, number of languages they want interpretation or AI translation in, and more. The project manager then initiates the preparation activities. They also conduct a kickoff call with the client to confirm the event details such as date and time of the event start, the agenda, the duration of the event, the necessary equipment setup, as well as how the speakers and audience will access the event. The remote support team ensures consistent quality and reliability through continuous remote monitoring and technical support. On the event day, they'll set everything up, welcome and sound check interpreters, and continue listening to the interpretation throughout the whole event to ensure everything goes smoothly. After the event, we can provide clients with video and audio recordings, as well as closed captions upon request. Media services, which also include our premium offering, feature comprehensive content editing in addition to basic recording edits. These recordings are then delivered to the client by project manager. Interprefy has the means, experience, and people to cover all the demands, no matter how complex or challenging the event is. That would be all for this video.